Yo, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be going over how to make a YouTube thumbnail and upload it onto YouTube on your phone. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first app you're going to need is Phonto. It's free on the App Store, I'm pretty sure. You want to press that little thing at the bottom, photo album. Then you want to add a multicolour background off of the internet. You just type in multicolour background and save it to your phone. Alright, and then you want to press on it, add text, and add, for example, what's going to happen in the video. So like so you want to change the colour of it. So I guess I could just change it to white, and then change the background like a bit like this, so you can see it. Make a YouTube thumbnail. Boom. I'm gonna crop it down. That looks decent, I guess. That looks decent. You want to save a bit for the side for later. I'll tell you why in a minute. You want to increase it a bit, maybe. Yeah, it'll fit on there. Then you want to proceed to save that to your camera roll. And you want to back out. Go over to Pixelmator. This one does cost a bit of money, I think, but it should be fine. It's not too much. You want to go on custom image, and you want to put in the 1280 by 720. Press create, and then add the image from your camera roll. So now you got this on here. You want to get an image off of like the internet of like what your video is about. So say you're doing a video about, I don't know, like pigs or something, you'd put a picture of a pig here. Make sure it's PNG, because otherwise it'll have a background, it won't look very nice. So for example, I've got this YouTube play button, so if I could just put that there. And also another thing you can do, you can copy, paste it, and then get this one, and then bring up the side here, do this, put the format, and if you fill it, make it, what colour do we want it? We want it black, really. There we go. Put that behind there, make it a bit bigger than the other one. This is just so it doesn't clash with the colours in the background. Maybe make the background a bit smaller. Boom, and there you go. That's how I made this thumbnail. Then you want to copy image, I think, and it will go to your photos. And then you want to proceed to head over to YT Studio, and this will show you all the stats for your YouTube channel and stuff, so it's just quite useful anyway. And if you go over to videos, you can find all your recent videos that you've posted and say, oh, I want to change this one here. You go on the pencil mark in the top right and edit thumbnail. But obviously I don't want to put the thumbnail for this video on that video, so I'm obviously not going to do that. But overall, that's how you make a thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube video. Thank you for watching. Please drop me a subscription and a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to hit a K before the year ends. It'd be appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Both. Patching the pattern business and a pattern up home, I'm patterning both.